So, here we go.
We're spinning, we're spinning.
Yep. He'll do it until he, like, not until he passes up, but until he falls, and then he starts laughing. And then he gets up and does it again. He acts like he's on something. Like,
I think he is. What's so funny, baby? You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Oh, it goes the other way because it'll keep him from getting dizzy.
I knocked down his cup.
God, he's so weird. Go, Gio, go! Go, Gio, go! Go, Gio, go!
Woo!
Yes.
Touchdown! Grandpa made something! How happy he is for you!
Kissy kissy? Kissy kissy? That's good.